Welcome to English You&Me. Want to learn English fast and easily with clear demos? Subscribe now and join our short daily practice lessons.
That threat is a paper tiger.
Paper tiger?
Looks scary, isn't it?
Paper tiger means something that appears powerful or threatening, but is actually weak.
That delay threw a spanner in the works.
Spanner?
It messed everything up.
Throw a spanner in the works means creating an unexpected problem that stops a plan from working smoothly.
They want us to eat our own dog food,
That sounds weird.
use our own product.
Eat our own dog food means using our own product to test it and understand it better.
That rule's a sacred cow here.
Sacred cow?
No one questions it.
Sacred cow means a belief or rule that people follow without questioning, even if it makes no sense.
This is a zombie project.
Zombie?
Still alive, but useless.
Zombie project means a project that keeps going even though it no longer serves a useful purpose.
Let's start with the low-hanging fruit.
Meaning, the easiest wins.
Low-hanging fruit means easy tasks or goals that can be achieved with little effort.
We have a hard stop at 6.
Hard stop. Must end exactly then.
Hard stop means a fixed time or limit where something must end immediately.
They believe in fail fast.
Meaning.
Learn quickly from mistakes.
Fail fast means testing ideas quickly and learning from mistakes as soon as possible.
The app has too many bells and whistles.
What's that mean?
Unnecessary extra features.
Bells and whistles means adding fancy extra features that look impressive but are not actually necessary.
We need a deep dive.
Deep dive?
A detailed analysis.
Deep dive means examining something very carefully and in great detail. Which idiom was new for you? Let us know in the comments, and please support our channel by liking and subscribing.